If you'd like to use Google Maps in your own custom apps or programs, you're going to need an API key, but Google services can sometimes make them difficult to find. My name is Abdullah. You're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video, we're taking a look at how you can find the API key for Google Maps platform. Now, the first thing that you need to do to find your API key for Google Maps is to head over to the Google Maps platform website and sign up with an account. Now, I have put a link for this particular page in the description below, so you can open this up and follow along. Well, the first thing we're going to do is click on this Get Started button right here. This will open up your Google Cloud Console, and so we're going to give it a minute to load up. And here we go. Now, the first thing is to finish setting up our account. So you see this button right here, go ahead and click on Finish Account Setup. And now this will first ask what country you are from. And another thing that you need to keep in mind is that you will have to verify your card to get started, because as you can read here, your card is used to verify that you're not a robot, and it won't be charged until you manually upgrade to a paid account. Go ahead, click on Agree and Continue. Give it a second, and now you're going to have to verify your identity. So this automatically fetched my payment profile from my Google Play apps account, my YouTube and Google Pay accounts, but that might not be the case for you. So just make sure that you enter your card information here and then click on Start Free at the bottom. This will start setting up your account, as you can see right here. They may want you to verify your card. This is the case for me. I'm going to skip past this part. And once you've verified your payment information, you're good to go. The page will load up and you should have a few questions to answer. That shouldn't have happened, but all right. We will type in other here. Click Continue. Click OK. Add API key. API key. Visualize data on a map. Add place details on map. Click OK. Or can I just add API key? Yeah. Click Continue. Development approach is full code for me. Could be anything for you. So what platforms are you building for? I'm building for the web. Continue. What framework I will use? I like working with React and Next.js. Click on Submit. And we will wait for it to load. And here you go. As you can see, here is my Google Maps API key right here. You'll not be able to see this key because it's obviously blurred for security reasons, but you can enable all Google Map APIs for this project, or you can go ahead and set it up according to your preferences. Once you're in the Google Map platform, once again, this is going to take a second to load up. You will get this option to protect your API key, and I highly recommend that you use it. So you can set a restriction whether you want to use your key on websites, IP addresses, Android apps, iOS apps, or in fact set an API instruction itself, just so you can control what kind of calls can be made from your API key. You can always come back and do these settings later, which I'm going to do for the sake of this project. But just to ensure you have full security, I'm assuming that you've already planned what you're going to build. So make sure that you protect your API key accordingly. And that's that. That's how easily you can find your API key on Google Maps. If you like this video, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below what more such videos can we make for you. If you'd like to know more about tech, visit our website, Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.